back to this year's Christmas competition. Question 3 coming up. Just a reminder that you can win the sausage stuffer, which is, sorry, everything's in reverse, here from Weschenfelder, complete kit to make your own sausages. The smoking kit from hotsmoke.co.uk, and they're also throwing in a desktop barbecue grill or tabletop barbecue grill, so you can literally make, cook, smoke your own sausages. So hopefully you've got on quite well with questions 1 and 2. This is question 3. I'm not giving you an example this week. This is just basically called Say What You See. That's all all you have to do is say what you see and work out what the pictures are trying to tell you. Could be a phrase, could be a place, could be a recipe of some kind. It could be anything. But as I said, no example. And just a reminder that entry to the competition will open after question 4, which will drop early next week. So without further ado, well, there you go. There's question 3, 1 left, and then you can enter to win. Good luck. Speak soon.